kan informatie zijn over het adres.
Is that information automatically searched or does it need somebody to know that?
So it's a collaborative.
So Peter, you recently launched the TCCA Control Room Group. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so the TCCA Control Room Group is a new initiative. It came about as a result of several workshops that we've done over the past 3 or 4 years, looking at the end user in the control room managers, directors, those who procure the services, be they IT or desking, the working environment. And we realised over those workshops that there was no one body in the UK or in Europe or indeed internationally that had a view on the whole of that environment. So for instance, TCCA is focusing on the radio dispatch environment, the radio standards for the future. ENA taking a very good look at the call handling and the social media aspects, but again nobody necessarily joining up the whole thing, and we felt that this was at the right time to form some form of control room group, critical control room group that looks across the whole piece.
And who is able to join that group? What kind of organizations are there?
Okay, so today we're working within the TCCA, and so today our membership is drawn from all those that may be working in and around the TCCA. So we're talking about the 3 emergency services, airports, oil and gas, local authorities, railways, so all of these guys who are providing critical control room services.
Also manufacturers?
Yeah, of course, the manufacturers who are providing all of the technologies today and also the desking and building the buildings. You know, these kind of guys should also have an involvement here, but hopefully we're going to find that we get a lot more of the end users who will be the recipients of all of these services.
So it's a very widely spread group with interest from all kinds of areas within the control room world, right?
For sure, it's not just about the technology, it's about change management, it's about working area design, it's about ergonomics, health and safety. Procuring new equipment. This seems to be a continual problem, that we're procuring equipment in such a way that there are no mechanisms for keeping it updated. We stand for constant evolution in the control room group, and that means that commercial models need to evolve, procurement needs to evolve, contracts need to evolve, and that's a two-way thing between the end users and the commercial entities.
How could people sign up for this, Peter?
Very, very simply. They just need to come along and sign up to myself at peter.prater@tcca.org. And at the moment, free of charge, let's get the numbers in there and then we'll take a view on what we do after that. And hopefully then establishing online presences, conferences and workshops to share best practice, get some networking. We did a recent survey. These are the kind of things that the guys in the control rooms want to do. They want to be able to network with each other and share best practice. We've seen plenty of examples of that here today at critical control rooms in Madrid, where we've had some great case studies from people such as Iceland and Norway and places. And this is the kind of thing that we need to be networking about and sharing best practice about.